am so excited. Today I received my Bombay and Cedar box and I just had to come up here and film and open it right away. This is what the cute box looks like. Bombay and Cedar is one of my favorite boxes. You guys already knew that already if you watched my top 5 box video I did a while back. If you missed that one, I will link it down below. That was fun. It was a collaboration video. I also recently did a collaboration video where we talked boxes on a budget. I did that with Southern Mom and Georgia Sunshine. I'll link that below too. I just think collaboration videos like that and just those types of videos are so fun and give you guys hopefully a lot of good information. But anyways, if you do not know what Bombay and Cedar is, it is a lifestyle subscription. You get like stuff for wellness, aromatherapy stuff, just like amazing things. They're always unique and awesome. Everything in here is like eco-conscious, cruelty-free, all of that good stuff I seriously love opening this box so much. I think I saw some spoilers, like I get emails, and it seems really good this month, so I can't wait any longer. Let's get this baby open and see what I received. I guess I'm getting a little ahead of myself. I forgot to tell you that Bombay and Cedar has 2 options. They have a mini and a premium box. I get the premium box. I believe the mini is like $28.95 or something like that, and the premium is around $49. I will link that, the website down below. And I will also list the pricing, and I will also list a code. I have a promo code, so if you want to save some money, I believe it's 10%, definitely take advantage of that. So when I open the box, this is what it looks like. It says hello in beautiful yellow background. And it always comes with a pamphlet, and it looks like Rebel is the August 2019 theme. It looks like there's like a martini glass, some glitter coming out. I like that picture, that's cool. Oh, and it must be their birthday month. Birthday months are always the best for subscription boxes, because look, there's a sticker that says happy birthday to us. Oh, I'm extra excited now. Like, birthday boxes are seriously always the best, it seems. So let's see, when in doubt, dance it out. Where to? It's our 2nd anniversary, and we would like to give a special thanks to all of you for your continuous support. And on our birthday number 2, and of course because we adore you, we thought it would be fun to include goodie bags in this month's box. See inside for more info about the vendors featured in our birthday goodie bags. As always, we hope you enjoy this month's box and continue to take the journey with us. That is so fun, a goodie bag. I can't wait to see what's in it. And then on the next pages in this booklet, it talks about all of the items and gives some pricing information. And I don't even have to add up all the pricing. It tells you the premium box value is between $164.85 to $183.90. I guess there's some variation items. And the mini box value is is between $69.95 and $86.95. So great value always. So I will refer to this throughout the unboxing. And let's see, I'm gonna get this tissue open. So underneath the tissue, this is what it looks like. I don't wanna spill out any of the contents. The first thing I see is a oil diffuser, and I have one downstairs, but I could totally use one upstairs. This is amazing, and this is extra great because in this box, I did mention that they have aromatherapy, and every single month you get 2 different essential oils, so this is perfect for this box. You can definitely use it. So this is by Arame, the Porcelain Essential Oil Diffuser. It says all natural aromatherapy, long-lasting fragrance, easy to refill, and this is gardenia. Oh, so it comes with peppermint oil too. Wow, I'm like stocked up on the peppermint oil, so this is so cute. So it looks like you remove that porcelain flower top, and then you add in the essential oil. It tells you right there. Let's open it and look at it. This is so cute. And this comes only in the premium box, and it is $15, which is a good price. Nice. Okay, it comes all separate and stuff, but I'll show you the top of it at least. I don't need to put it all together right now, or this video will be super long. Oh, this is so pretty. So this is the top of it, the porcelain part. It seems so fragile, I have to be careful. And there's like the wick, so I think that probably helps like absorb the oils and the scents and diffuse it and stuff. But isn't it so pretty? I can't wait to set this up. And I love that it comes with an oil too. So you don't have to be stocked up, but you will get probably some other oils in here as well. Like I said, you get 2 every month. So if you've been getting this, you already have a stockpile of oils. I just love essential oils, but let's move on to the next item. This says, what is a friend? She is inspiring, fun, wonderful, and generous. This is really pretty. What's in here? Oh, there's 8 cards with messages inside. It says that on the back. This is so pretty. I bet the cards are pretty too, but let's read what this says. It says, she's someone worth celebrating. Here are 8 note cards to send to 8 wonderful women, and whether you send them for a special occasion or just because, you'll be sending a smile to one of your favorite people. Oh, I love stuff like this. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love pretty cards. Oh my gosh. And the envelopes are even pretty. She's fun. She's inspiring. She's wonderful. She's generous. This is so cute. And I think there's one of each. Let's see if there's anything on the inside of the card. Oh, it is. It says, just the possibility of seeing her means good things are on their way. So, the back is white. So this is so cute, you guys. I love stuff like this. I'm totally going to use these. And let's see. And the price of the stationery set is by Commendium. It's $10.95. And everyone gets this. Either the mini and the premium. Next up, what is this? Vivo Your Body's Voice? I don't know what this is. It looks like there's only one step left to start your wellness adventure. Download the Vivo app and let the journey begin. Oh, this is urinalysis? What? This is interesting. This is only in the premium box. And this is urinalysis test strips by Vivo. Your wellness assistant consisting of urinalysis test strips and mobile application giving you personalized nutrition and lifestyle advice based on your urine sample. Okay, I bet some people will be weirded out by that, but I think that is so cool. It always makes me nervous. I'm like, I get like white coat syndrome. I'm like, I'm gonna have every bad thing. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Oh, they make it like fun. They don't make it look like a medical like pee strip thing, you know. It says, hi, this is Vivo. I'm your body's voice. Your body constantly tries to say something. No, not pizza. Oh, pizza. I'm probably gonna have pizza tonight. It's trivia night and I usually get pizza, but it can be, you need to drink more water. How about running this morning for 20 minutes and preparing quick oatmeal for breakfast? Or I'm so lucky to have you. You can think of me as an assistant that helps you find out what your body needs. I can't wait to see what we discover together. If you are ready, so am I. Yours truly, V. How many are in here? It looks like there's 4 in here. And so it's a longer stick. Let me read what it says in the back. It says download the Vivo application. Urinate on all boxes on the strip while midstream. Do not urinate on the strip more than a few seconds. Wait 120 seconds for the strip to be activated. Timer is displayed on the test screen for your convenience. Wow, these are fancy. Click the upper right test icon on the app to make a photo or to take a photo of your strip and receive your advice. I'm super excited about this. I hope it doesn't tell me I'm dying or anything, but it'll probably tell me work out, you lazy mofo, and stop eating pizza, but I already know that. So anyways, if you guys are curious, I can keep you updated. These are, did I say this right? $24.90. Next up, it looks like this is a lipstick. This is by Cupid and Psyche Beauty and Letitia. Yeah, let's see. So it's cruelty free, no animal testing, and it's gluten free. Let's get this open. Letitia 16. So this is in the premium box, only it's $23 and you could have gotten 5 shades. So that's cool. Let's see. The packaging's cute. Ooh, I got like a red color. Letitia is red. This is good for fall, I bet. Let me swatch it. Oh, this is pretty. It's kind of sheer, it looks like, so it's not like overly pigmented, so that I actually prefer it with reds, especially because if you mess up, which I tend to do on my mouth, it won't be too much of an issue. This is cool. It's like cardboard packaging. I think that's really pretty and prettier than what I expected looking at it. So I am definitely happy to try this. And I'm all about cruelty-free beauty brands and makeup, so I've never heard of this brand, so I'm psyched to try it out. So yay. Oh, I see some really pretty earrings. The Foxy collection. These are like studs. They're lead and cadmium compliant, nickel compliant. These are really pretty. Oh, and everyone gets a pair of earrings by various designers, and that's where that variation in price comes from. So this is somewhere between $12 and $19. And it says they're available in several styles. These trendy and chic earrings allow you to look elegant and endearing for any occasion. I really like these. These are perfect for like every day. And I love earrings. Like, you guys, if you watch, I like to try and switch up my earrings every day. Right now I have some that I recently got in my rocks box. I've never heard of Foxy collection, so I think these are super cute. Yay! And then here are the essential oils. They always come in this little drawstring bag. Ooh, I'm just looking at the paper right now, and they look like they are gonna be ones I will really like. The first one is Enlighten, and this is a blend. So this is what it looks like. And this is $17. It says it's a blend of oils designed to enlighten the mind and the body. Let the party begin. And it has spearmint, sage, geranium, myrtle, German chamomile, and nutmeg essential oils. Interesting mix. Oh my god, this smells really good. It smells like spearmint gum, honestly. But it definitely is enlightening. And then the other one is orange, and that is mood lifting, and I agree. Citrus scents are so uplifting. I'll probably use the orange first in the diffuser. Oh my god, I love, yeah, this is my favorite. They both smell really good. This orange one, it says it's derived from the peels of sweet oranges. This amazing oil can be used as an antiseptic or anti-inflammatory, improves blood circulation, and more. It's $10. So essential oils can be a little pricey. This one's $17, this one's $10. I can't remember if I said that. Everyone gets those, so that's awesome. I think we already talked about everything but one item that's in the premium only, and let's talk about that now. This packaging is so pretty. So this is in the premium box only, like I just said. This is by Heidi, or H-Y-D-Y, I'm not sure how to pronounce. This is a water bottle. It's 20 ounces or 590 mLs. It's BPA free. I love stuff like this, and this, oh my god, I want to keep the box. It's so pretty. I love these colors. Let's get this open. I hope the bottle's as cute as this. Oh my gosh. And this is $25. Oh, it's a water bottle with a fruit and tea infuser. That's so cool. It says, create your own naturally flavored fruit infused water, juice, iced tea, lemonade, etc. They're lightweight. Cool. Oh yay, I got one in the pink color. This is so awesome. This feels really nice. Okay, so this, yeah, you can just bring this anywhere you want. It is really lightweight. I mean, obviously when you put liquid in it, it's gonna get heavier. Let's see. Okay, so there, when you open it, the infuser's attached to the handle. So you honestly could just use this for water only, but if you want an infuser, I think that's super cool. I'm gonna have to look into this more about like what I should put in it. Do you guys infuse your water with anything? I would love to know like your favorite like infusions, like what you suggest, because this is new to me. I love this, and it makes me thirsty just thinking about it. It's like when I see people drink water, it makes me thirsty. And last but not least is the goodie bag. So it really is a goodie bag. It's wrapped up. So birthday goodie bag by our favorite vendors. In celebration of our second birthday, we've assembled these fun goodie bag stuff with products and samples from our past featured vendors, and the price ranges from $20 to $50. So let's see what I got. Oh, the first thing I see is another essential oil. So I really got like 4 this time. This is lemongrass. This is another uplifting one. I have a lemongrass, but I think I'm almost done with it, or I finished it already. So this is awesome, yay! And that's by Bombay and Cedar. Oh my god, this makes me hungry. So we got this in the past too. So I think everything in here might be like past things, like we said, or past vendors at least. So this is the Stretch Island Strawberry Fruit Leather. I got this recently and I ate it right away. I love stuff like this. It's just like fruit, it's good. Oh, this is like some jewelry. This is by Crave. Let me get this open and show you. Here's what it looks like in the packaging. It looks like it's like a bracelet that has like some dangly part to it. Oh, it's like the adjustable. Oh my god, let me get this open. So it is a bracelet. And it's adjustable so it could fit anyone. That is really pretty too. It has like cool like metal looking design. That is so pretty. Yeah, this is such a good month, like always. Next, oh cool, this is by True Clutch. This is the True to Go handle, so you can use this to hold your water bottles. It says it's time to get a grip. Soft touch silicone and stainless steel come together to form our Clutch True to Go handle, an essential accessory that makes any water bottle easier to carry. Fasten the band around the middle of the bottle and secure the accompanying carabiner, I can never say that word, to your object of choice, whether it be a purse, backpack, or keyring. So carabiner? No, that's not how you say it. But this is awesome. This feels really cool. Definitely cool to have. Ooh, oh my god, this sounds so good. Turmeric latte mix. What's inside this pack? Turmeric, Ceylon, cinnamon, ginger, vanilla, cardamom, chili, and black pepper, and a whole lot of goodness. This is vegan, gluten-free. It's a product with a purpose. So it makes 35 servings of this latte mix. I love stuff like this. I'm super excited to try this out. Yum. And then we have one more thing in here. Oh, I'm excited to get this because I have the mints and I really like it. Are these mints again, or is this gum? This is the gum. This is Neuro gum. I have the Neuro mints. And I've been like trying not to use them up, but these are like amazing. So they have like caffeine in them. So here are the mints, and now I have the gum. I'm so excited. I keep these on my desk when I'm like feeling a little tired and I have to do editing or something. Or even if I'm feeling just a little too tired to do my makeup, pop in a mint for some energy and clarity and focus, but now I can use gum. There's 9 pieces in here. It's in the flavor Enlightenment. Let's see, it says fuel your mind, or fuel your body, activate your mind. Our proprietary nootropic blend of natural green tea, caffeine, L-theanine, and brain activating B vitamins gives you the focus, clarity, and lasting energy to take on the world. This is so awesome. Let's see, is this the same amount of caffeine as the mints? It doesn't say that I see on here. It says have 1 to 2 pieces as needed for energy, mental clarity, 2 calories per piece. I can handle that. Awesome. So I'm excited. You guys, I think this was an amazing month. Birthday months for boxes are always great, but this box is consistently good. This is seriously one of my favorites. What am I the most excited about? Yeah, I'm really excited about the pea strips, even though it makes me nervous, just because I don't know why, I just always assume the worst. The diffuser? I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited about the water bottle. All the essential oils I got, everything. The earrings are beautiful, the lipstick's really pretty. Love trying new brands. I like everything. This was A+ month, yes. I'm such a dork, I'm like, yeah. But I love this box. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below, and if you got this, what variations like did you get? What did you get in your goodie bag? Was it the same? Because I'm wondering if we get such a different variety since there's that price range there. Please let me know down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!